Now the next part beta we are having, that is when body here, the body initially is moving with some velocity. Initially it is with some velocity, that is 10 meter per second. Okay, this is not that same graph, and here it is written, sorry for that. Some velocity, that is 10 meter per second it's moving, and then it is increasing at every second, and it comes up to be 35 meter per second. Now this is our table. Now what we will considering in this, we will take this triangle beta to find out the acceleration. ठीक हो गया, जहाँ से velocity होएगी तभी से उसका acceleration आएगी, change आएगा. So now if you are finding out the slope of this region, this triangle, I'm telling you again, you can take any small triangle also, that's on you. You can take the whole triangle also, that's on you. So that is 35 minus 10. 5 minus 0. So here what we are having, the acceleration 35 minus 10 and 5 minus 0. Now how we will find out the displacement? That is the area under the curve. Whole area we will take. Now this is forming what? A trapezium. So that is half into sum of parallel sides into the height. Okay. So this one will be your height. So how we will get this? That is area of trapezium, that is half. The values they have written, put down the values, you will get the area. ठीक हो गया? Next case is very interesting one. What we are having in a next case, suppose I am having some ball in my hand. Okay, you know that when ball is coming towards the earth, what is happening to that? When ball is coming towards the earth, then its acceleration is what? Increasing. And when ball is going upward against the earth, velocity is increasing and velocity is decreasing. यह मेरी ball है, ठीक हो गया? Now when this ball is at some height, height से नीचे आ रही है, uniformly accelerate हो रही है, ठीक हो गया? क्या हो रहा है? वेलोसिटी कंटिन्यूसली उसकी इंक्रीज हो रही है. वेलोसिटी कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीज हो रही है. सो द डाउनवर्ड मोशन, बॉल इज एट सम हाइट, it is coming down, velocity is increasing continuously, so this is what your downward motion. ठीक हो गया? Now what they have written, consider the motion of the body released from a height to fall down vertically, initially from rest with velocity increasing uniformly for 5 seconds and acquiring the velocity of 50 meter per second. So the uniformly increase in the velocity. ठीक हो गया? नीचे आ गई. After hitting the ground, it hits the ground. Now what they are saying? Then after hitting the ground, it rises vertically upwards to the same height with the velocity decreasing uniform, moving against the earth, going up. उसी पॉइंट पे दोबारा जाना है, जिस पॉइंट से आई थी उसी पॉइंट पे दोबारा गई, दोबारा करके वहाँ रुक के फिर नीचे आएगी ना. सो दैट इज व्हाट, when it's moving upwards, its velocity is what? Decreasing continuously. Then after hitting the ground, it rises vertically upwards to the same height with the velocity decreases uniformly. In this case, the velocity time graph in which part AB shows the downward journey of the body with positive velocity, while part CD shows the upward journey with the negative velocity. अपने आप में clear है, उसकी velocity continuously decrease हो रही है. So this is what your upward motion and this is what your downward motion. This is the way to draw this graph. Now इस part में क्या होएगा? Body is accelerating. Fine. इस part में क्या होएगा? Body is retarding. CD is what? Retardation. AB is what? Acceleration. So what the slope we are having? That is 50 minus 0 upon 5 minus 0. Clear? यहाँ पे क्या है? 0 minus 50. It is plotted it as minus 50. 0 minus 50 upon 10 minus 5. 50 ही माइनस होगा, माइनस 50 नहीं लोगे आप. Why? उसने बताया है कि 50 मीटर पर सेकेंड से वो डिक्रीज होनी शुरू हो गया. Now you will answer me one question. Okay, I am not telling you the answer of that question. अगर हम ये बॉडी बना रहे थे, ये उसने बोल दिया कि बॉडी एक्सेलरेट हो रही थी, ये ग्राफ क्यों नहीं बनाया? this is your question. Okay, on this YouTube link you can answer me, you can answer this question कि ये डाउनवर्ड मोशन और ये अपवर्ड मोशन, सॉरी हाँ अपवर्ड मोशन है, ऐसा ग्राफ क्यों नहीं बनाया, वाई दिस ग्राफ इज रॉन्ग एंड दिस ग्राफ इज करेक्ट. डिक्रीज तो 50 से यहाँ भी हो रही है. थिंक अबाउट इट एंड आंसर. You can ask your other doubts in your WhatsApp group, but you have to answer this question on this YouTube link only, okay, in its inbox. So now what we are having, again slopes will give you acceleration, area of this triangle. When you add both the areas you will get total distance traveled. What is the displacement beta in this case? देखो 0 से शुरू हुई, 0 पे ही वापस आई. बॉल थी इस हाइट से नीचे गिरी, नीचे गिर के वापस उसी हाइट पे गई, तो इनिशियल फाइनल पोजीशन सेम. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज व्हाट, 0 in this case. Please give a thorough reading to this velocity time graphs. Very important and very interesting too, and please ask your doubts today only.